Okay, I think I got the sound issue taken care of. It really helps if you turn the mic on. Sorry about that. I talked through the whole video and all you saw was my lips moving. But I did have some pretty good pictures of stuff, so some of you were able to figure it out. But I decided to go ahead and redo the video because I just think that's the right thing to do. So, we are going to announce the 3 winners for the Guess the Amount giveaway I had posted on YouTube in a video last Friday. And it was a lot of fun. I had a lot of great guesses, a lot of great comments, so I appreciate every bit of it. It really makes my day. So before we announce the winners, let's get to the prizes. Third place is going to get a 1 ounce copper round 1909 S VDB. Second place is going to receive the Ike Bicentennial Type 1 and Type 2. And these are from uncirculated sets. So, and the first place winner is going to receive a NGC MS69 1986D Liberty 50-cent piece. And each winner is also going to receive a 40% Kennedy half dollar. And please do not be surprised if there are some other goodies inside the package. And why would I do something like that? Well, because I can. And it's a pleasure to. I had a lot of fun doing this. And I like to reward people when I get to have fun. So it's all good. But I did take the coins, that jug. It was actually a jug like this without the wrapper on it. And it was full, almost just short of the top. But my bank does have a coin machine, and since I'm an account, excuse me, since I'm an account holder there, I don't get charged a fee when I use it, which is always a bonus. And you could see, well, maybe you can't see. There we go. The coins were taken in on the 26th, and that was after the video was posted. And the total amount was $152.85. There were no dollar coins, $120.25 in quarters, $7.30 in nickels, one 50-cent piece. I could not tell you how that got in there. And $24.80 in dimes, and no pennies. So that's the number we are looking for. And I gotta say, the person that guessed the closest without going over, and no guesses were over except for one, and this person just missed it. I think they guessed $1 million and they were close. So that's all good. But in third place, and going to receive the 1 ounce 1909 SVDB copper round is Stacking Kid. In second place, going to receive the Ike Bicentennial Type 1 and Type 2 from uncirculated cello packs is going to be New Marshall in Town. And our first place winner, it's going to receive the 1986 MS69 Liberty half dollar, is going to be Coin Caption. So thank you everybody that took part in the giveaway for the week. I had a lot of fun. I enjoyed the comments. I enjoyed the guesses. So it's very much appreciated. But if I could get those 3 people to email me at bluescoins@yahoo.com with your YouTube name and a good shipping address, I will get your stuff out in the mail. That's all I got. And I'm just glad the sound is working this time. So y'all take care. Be good to each other. Blues Coins is out.